Hey everyone, good afternoon and welcome back to another vlog. My name is Chantel and I am based in Nigeria. I'm so strong now. I've recovered maybe 90%. I still feel a bit feverish here and there, but I'm really good right now. And ever since I recovered, guys, I've been trying to boost, not ever since though, I was doing it before now, yeah, but I wasn't this I didn't take it religiously like I am now. So right now I'm trying to have fruits every day, at least one every day. I must have one fruit. Right now I'm having it in this cup. I'm trying to do a smoothie with this cup. You guys, if you don't know about this cup by now, I'm certain you're living under a rock. This thing that has been making waves all over social media. For me, my review about this thing is that it's the most useless thing ever. Maybe because of the brand I have, I don't know. I know that there's one very original one. Those are the people that came out with it first. But this brand I have, I don't know if it's the substandard version or what, but it doesn't work. Let me give you an example. See now, they say double click to start. This is a witch. I swear to God. Get out! I hate you so much. This thing is possessed. No, legit. This thing is not normal. Do you guys know how long I've been trying to blend that thing as fast as this? I'll press it once. It will do like generator off. The apples I put inside, I have watermelon, apple, and mangoes. Those ones were just the watermelon blended and a bit of the mangoes. The apple was still in the solid state like that. Now I've shown you guys on camera. It now wants to blend. Wait, let me try again. This thing must not disgrace me in front of the world. Oh God! Oh Jehovah Jireh! This thing. I feel like there's a spirit. There's something inside this thing. I'm not overreacting. I swear to God. I've been trying to do this for the longest time. I don't know what the problem was, but yeah, it seems to be working okay. So my review, I've taken it back. So yeah, I had my bath earlier and I'm just chilling at home. You guys, my laptop went bad yesterday. I just repaired it. Not necessarily went bad, it just did not want to come on. And I know that there are a couple of things that cause laptops to go, to prevent it from booting. Number one, maybe the Windows has crashed. Number two, battery problem, your hard drive, your motherboard, a bunch of things. So I was scared that it was my motherboard, because if it was my motherboard, there's no way you can repair a motherboard once it burns. You just have to replace it or replace the whole computer, because motherboards are really expensive. But glory be to God, it was just a battery problem. So I had to go and buy another battery, because my battery is inbuilt. I had to screw it out, test it. To test if your battery is bad, you have to just use your tongue. If it shocks you, that's like the manual old school IT method. So if it shocks you small in your tongue, you know that it's still active, but if it's not, it's dead. Yeah, so that's what I did, and I found that I was dead, and I bought a new battery and I changed this. I'm back to work right now. Well, yeah, that's it with me. Welcome back to another vlog. Let me not ramble too much. I will see you in the next slide or next footage. Hey y'all, it's a Saturday. No, it's a Friday actually today, and I just finished filming two videos. The one for that will go up on Tuesday, and next on Sunday, the coming Sunday, not this, no, the next Sunday, not this Sunday, that is next tomorrow. So I'm good for 2 weeks in terms of content, and I'm so grateful and happy about that. I just came on here to just say hi. There's really nothing going on. Actually. It's just been staying at home, and you all know how dry that can be. So just me checking in on you guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Please, you also stay safe, stay home, and very soon we'll get through with this. And yeah, that is it. And also show you my face. Oh yeah, one of the videos I filmed was me following Kim Kardashian's makeup. It's already up now, and this is not how I usually do my makeup. I feel like I look weird, but the thing I like about it is that it is not heavy at all. It still feels like my skin, even though I have foundation, powder, highlight, contour, and everything on my face now. But every other process, I don't subscribe to it. My brows look crazy. This is not how my brows usually look, but yeah, I had no choice. I had to just follow through with everything that she was doing. Yes, I will talk to you guys later. Let me quickly go and edit it because I want it to go up tomorrow being Sunday. Talk to you guys later.
The next day.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my
Happy Easter, everybody. You guys saw when I was cooking earlier, and I'm done now. I've taken my bath. I'm just chilling actually. Nowhere to go. We're on lockdown. We're on lockdown actually. So I'm about to eat now. Let me show you guys what I am about to eat. I showed you when I was making the fried rice, and I also showed you the chicken. But what I did not show you was the salad. However, I filmed a video on that, and it will be up before this vlog. Actually, I think I'm going to put it up on Tuesday as my Tuesday video. Today is a Sunday, actually. It's Easter Sunday. So yeah, let me show you. So I'm having the rice, just very little, not a lot. This is my first meal for the day, and I just took one spoon, like one serving spoon of rice. I don't even see myself finishing that because I want to start first with my salad, and I have a big bowl right here that I'm going to devour now, and I have 2 pieces of chicken. This is barbecue chicken, and yeah, that's how my what they call it is going. My Easter. I also have a bottle of wine in the fridge. I'm going to drink later. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. Nobody's coming to my house. I'm just chilling. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Where were you when my heart was on the
Next morning.
ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown.
Good morning. Remember the last clip I just showed how the skies were dark as if it wanted to rain? Less than 2 minutes after that, I just entered one street. That's how rain started. See, I'm soaked from my head to my toe. And there was nowhere I could enter to just stay till the rain subsided. I decided to move, continued going. Guess what? Immediately I passed that street, the rain now stopped. But I just came back home so I don't catch a cold or get ill. It's crazy. Like, I'm so tired. I did not even finish my laps. Normally I do like 4 to 5 times, but this was me ending my 3rd one before it started. So I think I'm okay. I had to put because this sweat, this jacket is kind of raincoatish, like it has that material, but it still soaked my t-shirt though because it's not lined. There's one I have that is lined that water cannot seep through, so I had to put my phone and my watch. I don't even know why I carried my phone out today. Okay, because I wanted to just vlog a bit. I put my phone and my watch inside my bralette inside. Let me go and remove everything and have my bath. I will talk to you guys later.
Later that same evening.
Hey guys, good evening. I've just been at home since morning doing nothing, and I decided to come out now and get milk for the house because there's no milk. So I already picked it up. One Kerrygold. This is just like an excuse to leave the house because I'm so bored and tired. So ever since I came back from exercise in the morning, I've just been chilling. I edited a video, I slept. That's been it basically. Oh yeah, and I caught up on some YouTubers videos like Ozitochi, Lily Pope, Adeze Space, DNV Vlogs, Waka Girl, all of them that posted today. My MB has finished. But yeah, that's it. I think I need batteries too. They don't have the size I'm looking for. Yeah. I mean, everyday supermarket. I'm also looking for dog food for Sean. They always have for sale here, but right now there's no one listed. But these are the big bags. I don't have money for that one right now. Let me pick his shampoo. No, this is spray. Okay, this is shampoo. I think it's 1,000. Let's buy this one and the blueberry flavor. These scents. Sean takes a lot of money from me, I swear. Hey guys, good morning. Whew. Today I woke up feeling tired, but I'm going for exercise now. I'm going a bit late. It's about 6:30ish, so I'm about to leave the house now. I'm not going with my phone obviously, but I just wanted to tell you guys, and by the time I come back I will just show like a bit of things I do during my stay at home. Morning, good morning. Shanini. So I doesn't have my time. My at home exercise routine. So yeah, my watch is dead, so I can't even calculate my steps or my calories, and I don't want to go with my phone. So I'll talk to you guys when I get back. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back from my walk. Oh my god. So let me just do a few reps of indoor exercises. Normally when I do this long walk I don't do indoor, but I just want to show you guys what I do when I do indoor exercises. Sean is here. Let me show you. Hello sir. Hi sir. Hi Shanini. Say hi. I need to bath him today and cut some of the hair around his eye area. Hi. Will you follow me and do exercise? Will you join me in my exercise today? He doesn't have my time. Okay, let's start. Oh my god.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
You guys, I'm done. I did 3 reps of each set and I stretched. I feel very nauseous this morning. I don't know why that is, but I'm just going to go and drink water. Whew. Drink water now, then come and cut off Sean's hair, a bit of his hair, so they can bath him. I'm so tired. So yeah, that's it for me with my exercise routine. I was, like I said, I feel very nauseous, so I couldn't do a lot of indoor, maybe because I'm stretched out from outside when I went to run and do the brisk walk. But yeah, whew, it's a lot. I'll talk to you guys later. I just want to cut some of your hair. Come, just small, so you can see well. Come. Come now, let me see your face. Come. Let me see your face. Yeah, you look good. You look alright. You look alright. So thank you, mommy. Hey guys, so I'm done having my bath and I am ready to leave the house. We've been having light issues for the longest time. I don't know what the problem is. When they bring light, other people will have light except us. I heard that there are some other compounds that don't have light too, but it's been spanned for so long. I think for over getting to 3 weeks now. So we've just been relying on solar and generator, and sometimes inverter. That's when there's sun enough to charge the inverter. Do you get? But it has just not been nice because from 4-5, once the sun goes down, the solar goes off and there's no light till around 9 when I tell them to turn on the gen for like 2 hours. Then from that 11, maybe the inverter will now last for maybe 3-4 hours. Around 2-3, there's no light again to the next day. So that's been our cycle for the longest time. Now I want to go to Nepal now. The other day I sent the security man, but I don't know what he did. I think he did not really explain well, so let me go by myself. And yeah, I need to come back early and upload this video because it's going off today, because today is Thursday. Samuel is done bathing Sean, and you guys saw when I was cutting his hair. I want to just give him food now. I have leftover chicken and there's some rice too. So this is his food. There's chicken, rice. They already gave him rice and beans. That's the red one underneath, but I mixed everything. And this is water. Normally I give him food here and water here, but I realized that he finishes it fast and this plate is empty. So we decided to make this his water bowl and that his food plate. So yeah, to end this vlog, I'm going to be mentioning my YouTubers for the week, and there are 2 of them. First one is Prudence. I don't want to murder her surname, so I'll leave it on the screen. That's her channel, Prudence Apple something. I'm very bad at pronouncing some type of name, but yeah, let me not murder it on the screen. She's really good, and there's one video she did recently. I shared it on my community. It was really touching. They talked about her and her husband. They talked about when he cheated on her and how they are making it work. I don't know how I would react if that happened to me, but it was really admirable to see and it was quite touching. You guys will learn a lot from it, so you should go subscribe to her channel and let's get her to 1,000 subscribers if possible. Thank you so much. Thank you. And the next person is Elizabeth Atigari. This is the first time I'm pronouncing her surname well. I'm always saying Itagari. Atigari, and she's a mom tuber in Port Harcourt. You guys go check her feed. She's also my friend. I met her when she was working with Mark. When Mark came to Port Harcourt, they tried to work with influencers, so she DM'd me and that was how we clicked. Ever since then we've been friends. Even when Mark South Africa came to Port Harcourt and wanted to work with influencers too, because of her connection, through her I got the gig and I was really happy. She's such a sweet soul. She has a daughter and she makes mom what they call it, content, also vlogs. You will love her channel. Her template is so clean. She's just a minimalist. You guys go check her out. I'll leave both handles on the screen and also in my description box the link to their channel, so you can go just click on it and it will redirect you to their channel. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll be sure to see you in my next one. Bye guys.